Hey you guys, so it's Keoshia and I'm back for another clean with me. So today, as you can see, I am about to clean up my den. Christmas is over and I have stuff everywhere, and so it is time to get this den back cleaned and organized. So if you like my clean with me's, please give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you put on a notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me, and let's just get into cleaning this den, baby. So my son is asleep, so he can't help me take the Christmas tree out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it on the whole stand and just take it out and set it on the porch, so that it'll just be outside so I can clean it up. So once he wakes up, we can like disconnect it from the base, or I can disconnect it from the base later outside and then drag it out to the yard. You guys know we live out in the country, so we always take our Christmas trees out to the yard, like back in the woods where I live. I have 3 acres, so I can just throw it back in the woods and it'll disintegrate and go back to the earth, and therefore it's just like recycling. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do right now. I know I'm a little bit dark or whatever, but because the window is over there and I got the camera over here, but sorry for that. But the tree is out on the porch, as you guys saw. You saw the little things that are left down on the floor, but that is much better as far as sweeping up a laminate floor than it was carpet. So I don't have to worry about getting the vacuum cleaner out. I don't have to worry about the vacuum cleaner getting stuck. So I am really okay with that. So we are going to start organizing and putting all the Christmas decorations in these boxes. I can't wait till I get a shed. I'm going to figure out how to get a shed this year and get somebody to build me a shed out over there so I can start storing this stuff outside of my house. I am ready to start boxing things up in Tupperware and things like that, or them big totes, and putting them outside of this house. So that is going to be one of my goals this year, to figure out how to get a storage shed. If I'm going to do anything else in my house this year besides paint, that's about the only thing I want to pay for. So we're going to see how that's going to work, but I can't wait to get one of those because I really need some storage, and there's no storage in this house. So let's get to putting it up. so I still have a couple of things that I will not be able to fit in my little Christmas storage area, so I'm just going to figure out somewhere else to put it. I need to be trying to put it down there and put those doors back on my bookshelf, so I may do that sometime later on today. So I may put them down here under this bookshelf, and then when I put the doors on, sorry you guys won't be able to tell, like down here, so I might organize this a little bit just to fit the rest of the Christmas decorations down there. And it ain't that much, it's like these two little things, that little thing over there. So I might organize this just a tad bit just to fit some stuff in there. Stuff fit under there very nicely, so that is where it's gonna stay. And hopefully sometime this weekend I might put the doors on, so you won't see Christmas trees all year long or whatever, because I'll probably leave the TV over here for a little while. You know, we usually have it on this side, but I think I'm just gonna leave it over there and put the doors on this one. So I need to continue tidying up the den, so let's keep going. Alright you guys, so this is the final product of me cleaning up the den as it is right now. It's super neat and tidy. I like how everything has a home at the moment. I love to sit here with my kids and watch movies and stuff, so it is nice and pretty. I can't wait till I can decorate everything up how I wanted to, but for right now it's nice and clean and neat, and that's all that counts. And there are no more Christmas decorations up in the house, and so I'm really loving how the space is looking since the renovation. Of course it is unfinished, but it will be finished really soon, so I am super happy about how the cleanup went and how everything's looking. So if you guys like these types of videos, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing. It is free. There's nothing you have to do. And once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Make sure you turn on notifications so you'll miss any more videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.